Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be answering the question if you can get paid hourly on Uber Eats as a delivery driver. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so as of right now, Uber Eats across the world, your earnings are primarily payment per delivery, not an hourly wage. However, understanding the components of your pay can help you estimate your potential hourly earnings. So with the earning component, so there's a base fare. This is the initial payment for each delivery, influenced by factors such as distance traveled and time spent. Uber calculates payments based on the distance driven and the time taken for each delivery. And also customers have the option to tip drivers through the app, adding to your earnings. During peak times or high demands, Uber may offer additional incentives to drivers. So while Uber Eats does not provide a direct hourly wage, estimates suggest that delivery drivers in my country, Australia, for example, earn an average of $26 to $30 per hour. However, these figures can vary based on factors such as your location, time of day, and demand. And there's some important considerations too. So expenses, it's important to account for expenses like fuel, vehicle maintenance, insurance, which can significantly impact your net earnings. And earnings can fluctuate based on demand, with potential for higher earnings during peak hours and in busy areas. Also, be aware of ongoing discussions regarding minimum pay standards for gig economy workers where you reside, which may affect future earnings.